All right, folks, it is another day in the garage. It's very cold, and I just wanted to do a quick video on this light right here because I got this free from my friend, and the reason he gave it to me, it was like new when I got it, because it was constantly having broken bulbs, and he got sick of replacing the bulbs in it. Now, I got it, and I threw new bulbs in it, and it was great, and then I broke the bulbs, and then I got new bulbs for it, and it was great, and then I broke the bulbs again. So now I'm at a point where the bulbs are broken, and I just found something cool at the local store. All right, so the bulbs inside here are these super hot halogen lights. They're great in the wintertime because they actually provide some heat for your hands, but they're bad because as soon as you just tap the edge of this with anything, it burns the bulb out. Or if the light tips over or anything like that, it burns the bulb out instantly. So I'm at the store the other day about to buy new bulbs, and I come across these. Now these are LEDs that go in that spot. Now I don't know if these are gonna work or not, but they're supposed to. They're R7 bulbs, which is what I needed, and they're LEDs. And because they're LEDs, they're not gonna get hot, which is kind of a bummer for me in the wintertime, but they won't break constantly when I bump into it or tap it or tip it over or something like that. So let's throw one of these in and see how it goes. All right, this is plugged in, so I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it before I pull a bulb out. And these bulbs are just always breaking on me. So you can see inside, it has totally broken in half and is obviously no longer providing any sort of light. All right, let's pop this sucker open and get it in there. All right, I've just popped it in there. Seems to fit perfectly. So step one, looking great. All right, let's plug it in. It's not turned on, so that's good. All right, are we ready? Hopefully it turns on. Whoa! Okay, so that's bright. So this initially seems like a huge win for me. It's worth noting that these bulbs are like $10 each, which totally sucks. But at the rate that I break these glass ones, it's gonna pay for itself within certainly a year. I wish that I had actually one good bulb so that I could compare the light from one to the other to actually show you if this is brighter or dimmer. These are only 800 lumens, I believe. Yeah, 800 lumens, where I think these ones are a little bit more. I wanna say, I don't know if it says. No, it doesn't say on this. But I think that these are like 1,000 or 1,200 or something like that. So I don't know how much better the light will be or worse the light will be. But if it lasts up to 15,000 hours like the package says, and I'm using less electricity. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna pop them in here, and in a couple of years, maybe I'll do another update for you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Grab these if you got the halogen lights and they're always broken, and have a great day.